All right, this one's more difficult, and I want to try to communicate why it's more difficult. If you look at it, you get 2x minus 4x cubed, 6x5 minus 8x to the seventh. All right? So there are many ways to do it. I want to point out reverting this thing. I guess what I could do is I could say x equals, some multiple of y. So I put down, ay, some multiple of y squared, some multiple of y cubed, some multiple of y4. But you know what? You have to go on more, and I'll tell you why. Looking at it, you got 7th degree term there, right? So you have to go e y5 plus f y6 plus g y7. That's tough. I find it to be much more difficult than doing it otherwise. So, writing it down, what do you do? And I didn't really write that fully down here, by the way, but we'll talk through it. So this over here does get extended. And what do you have to do? And it's a tough part. You got to plug it in. And it's really a lot of work. And I went through the work. I just want to quickly go through it. And, equating coefficients is really not that bad. There's only, on the left side is only x. There's no squares, cubes, fourths, fifths, sixths, or sevenths. You get the idea, right? And you kind of equate it. That's all you have to do. Let me see if I wrote it down correctly, though. And I'm starting to think maybe I made a mistake somewhere, and I see it right over here. And this thing here should be a 6. Let me write that down. I'll make the correction, though. But I'm pretty sure I did the arithmetic correctly, and I got the correct reversion to it, all right? It's not easy, though. I know that, all right? If you feel that I made a mistake, I want to encourage you. I'm not doing that one at the whiteboard, by the way. We've done enough initial that you can work through that. It's tedious and a lot of work. It took me a lot of time to get through it, too. I mean, just the initial 4 problems at the whiteboard took me close to an hour. All right, this is much more difficult than the first 4 problems. All right, but reach out to me if you have a question, all right? But I will update the notes to reflect that change is there, okay? Thank you.